Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A17 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off auto screen rotation in Samsung Galaxy A17 5G smartphone. First of all, open any app. Here I open Google Chrome. So when I try to rotate my phone, see what will happen. Screen is also rotated. Okay, so if you would like to stop this screen rotation, yes, you can do it. What you have to do, go to the notification area and you will see here auto rotate button. Just if you click on it, it will turn to now portrait. Okay, now open the same app and try to rotate your phone. Screen is now not rotated. Okay, if you want to have the auto rotation, you have to keep this button turned on and auto rotate will happen. See, in the landscape itself also you can lock. See, so it will be locked in the landscape itself. See, now it is locked and it cannot be rotated to the portrait. Okay, so either you can lock it in the portrait itself or landscape itself. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn off auto screen rotation and lock at any orientation like portrait or landscape. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.